talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie? I'm feeling a little bit irie today because we're gonna jump right into the video, which is rare because I always have that but first thing going on, and now I'm just babbling just to fill in that but first thing. Okay, let's continue. Listen, I got an email from somebody, you know who you are, thank you. And apparently there was a rap session. I don't even know what a rap session is, but it was with the union president. This was probably about a week ago, maybe. Which union president? Okay, it was about the carriers. And I'll obviously elaborate. We went on for a minute and a half. I kept you guys interested, didn't I? You guys getting aggravated yet? No? Yeah, all right. Listen, everybody's asking the questions in the comments. They keep saying, have you heard anything about the carrier pay and what's going on with our contract and the president didn't do anything yet? Let me explain something to you. Your president, you know what? Let me shut up. But the president of your union stated that it was agreed upon. Now, this isn't in writing yet, but it was agreed upon that there was going to be a substantial pay raise for carriers. Okay. And also agreed upon starting wages being higher as well. So the new people are going to get a higher pay rate, as well as the regular pay raise for carriers. There's no specifics yet, but he stated it was very promising. Now, you could take that for what it's worth. But again, this was only a week ago. Today is October 10th. So this was the beginning of October. I know you guys are going through this thing with no contract. Before I finish, somebody asked me in the comment section about, do you get back pay once you negotiate something? Yes. So from the moment you don't have a contract, if it expires on this date and then they, get a new contract and its effective date, whatever the difference is, they're going to backdate it to the end of the date, the end date of the contract from before. For instance, let's just say it ended June 1st. And you guys don't get a contract till February 1st. Or it doesn't go into effect till February 1st. You will get whatever it is from June 1st to February 1st in back pay. Okay. Whatever the difference is. It may be just $2 an hour, whatever it is. But that's how they do it. Also, this is something you guys been commenting about. I mean, I've probably seen about 300-400 comments, and this is a good thing. And I have no idea what it's about. The 2 tables, they were going to eliminate 2 pay tables for just 1. Please. I don't know what it's about. I'm assuming that there's 2 different sets of pay tables. Kind of makes sense. It doesn't make sense, but that's what it means. And now they're just going to have 1 pay table. Yeah. So he said that, and they won't have a pay cut as well. So, if that means anything to anybody, again, this is not written. It was agreed upon. Now it's up to the union to basically go ahead, put the terms down and the terminology down. And here's the thing. Even though this is good because everybody wants to pay. Pay is perfect for anybody that, for the jobs that you guys do. But the problem that I see with this is that it comes down to more than pay, in my opinion. Because if it's just you get higher pay, so what? You think that's going to justify anything? You think you guys are going to be satisfied with just more pay? No, you're not. Because human nature says, man, we got $5 an hour. We need $7. And you get $7 an hour. You need $9. Just going to keep wanting more. It's the circumstances behind it. It's all the foolish text messages. It's all the water breaks. It's all the idle time. So I don't know what else is going to be in the contract, but everybody asked a question about pay. So that's the first bit and first piece of it. And that, to me, sounds good. Doesn't mean that I care for the guy. I don't really care for him, period, because not my president. But for carriers, that seems promising, okay? You guys can discuss that amongst yourselves. I don't know very much about, your craft. Now, I want to piggyback off of don't you guys turn that damn channel, the sexual assault thing. And, a lot of people have been emailing me, and there's people that don't want their names put out there. So obviously I won't. A person said they just got done watching my video on the sexual assault. This person is in Eagan, Minnesota. They hired a driver a while back, and he was told to stay at home. He hired a driver a while back, and he was told to stay home due to a background check incident. And this was after he worked a little over 90 days. We found he was found guilty of sexual assault, which resulted in an $18 million payout from the state of Minnesota. And the person's name, no, I can't say the name. I don't want to be sued for anything. His name is something, but you can Google his name and see the story. So again, I'll tell you the information around it. You can find this person. Sexual assault, $18 million payout from the state of Minnesota. You can Google his name. You can Google who that person was and see the story. They're saying that the great union fought for him and he got his job back. He is back driving with us. I'm assuming he's a truck driver. He was also charged with a felony in California. And we're now getting a supervisor from our NDC who was found guilty of 2 sexual harassment on a co-workers, and he is now a level 20 supervisor. Level 20 supervisor, somebody making over $100,000 a year. One of our Tour 2 supervisors, who is female, is leaving because of it. It's absolutely insane. I don't want to be named, but please Google such and such Minnesota, and you can see what he was found guilty of. And we have to work with him. That's what they're saying. So look this up for yourself. And that's pretty sickening if you think about it. I'm all for the postal family. Y'all already know I'm all for the postal family. Good, bad, indifferent, and we all make mistakes. But something of this, it just seems so, I don't know, man. $18 million, it's a lot. I don't know the details behind it, but again, you guys can look that up for yourself. Now, I gave you all the extras because I don't want this whole thing where somebody tries to sue me for smearing their name, although this is public knowledge, but I don't know the details behind, smearing somebody's name. But this person now works for the post office, and they keep saying this person's a driver. I don't know if they're a truck driver or a carrier driver. Actually, I do, but I'm playing a little dumb now. But yeah, this is just running rampant. I had another person call me, and they were just, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Gentlemen, keep your hands to yourselves. Ladies, keep your hands off the gentleman. Just because you got some tatas don't mean that you got the right to do what you want. I mean, you can slap me in the face when I'm... No, you can't. No, you can't, because I need my eyes. Poke me in the eye, and then I'm going to have an eye jammy. We don't need them problems. Serious note. Respect your brothers and sisters at the end of the day. All right? No means no. And that's it. No means no. That's it. regardless of how you see somebody, you don't have the right to go and pursue. If it's a mutual thing, good, but no means no. Hey man, you're looking really cute. And it's dangerous to even say that, but you're looking really cute. I'd like to get to know you. No, that's cool. No disrespect. Need my job. Go about my business. Hey man or ma'am, you're looking really cute. I'd like to get to know you. Cool? Oh, I appreciate the phone number. We'll chat about it. Boom. That's it. None of this. What you mean no? You know that I got that. Watch how you talk. Watch how you talk. Because it's just going to come back and bite you. You know, we looking real bad right now. And I'm sure this happens everywhere. But this is everything USPS, not everything everywhere. All right? So I can't give too much advice on it, but I know where I don't want them problems. You see me? And I'm sure none of you want those problems either. If you think you Rico Suave or, you know, Dolly Parton, I just used a random name. But you're not that smooth and you're not that suave. Please respect your brothers and sisters. And this is Jay talking. Well, the character Jay still, but this is the real person talking. Just respect your people, because it ain't gonna do you no justice. It's just gonna hurt you in the long run. All right. This is JH, and we're out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.